Did you know that these pre-filled saline flushes that come in these little packages are not actually sterile? So funny, not so funny story. Years ago when I was a new ICU nurse, I was assisting our physician in putting an essential line on a patient. So I was just being an extra set of hands, getting things kind of together for him and all that. And he asked for some saline syringes that were filled. And I was like, okay, so I went and grabbed these. And he was like, hold up, those are not sterile. And I was like, well, what do you mean? They're literally like in these packages. I thought that he was dumb, but nonetheless, I was wrong. These are not actually sterile. So if you are doing a sterile procedure, you can't consider these sterile. And what I mean by that is, yes, the saline inside is sterile, but as far as the whole syringe itself being sterile and being laid on a sterile field, can't do it. Some facilities will have some pre-filled sterile saline syringes and others don't, so you would have to grab like your sterile sodium chloride bottle and get some sterile flushes and just, or sterile syringes, and just manually draw it up yourself. But yeah, fun fact of the day, just in case you didn't know like I did a couple years ago.